Have you ever wondered how sunflower oil is made? It's a question that might have popped into your mind while cooking dinner or browsing the supermarket aisles. Sunflower oil is a global commodity, a culinary staple in kitchens around the world. Countries like Russia, Ukraine, and Argentina are leading the pack in sunflower oil production, transforming the sunny faces of these beautiful flowers into a versatile and nutritious oil. But it's not just in the kitchen where sunflower oil shines. It's also a key player in various industries, from cosmetics to biofuels, contributing to the products and services we use every day. So next time you're whipping up a stir-fry or moisturizing your skin, remember, you're engaging with a product that's traveled a long and fascinating journey. So, if you've ever enjoyed a sunflower oil-based meal or product, you owe it all to a process that's as fascinating as it is complex. Our journey begins with a single sunflower seed. Planted in the rich, fertile soil, this humble seed embarks on a remarkable transformation. Under the right conditions, a warm climate, ample sunlight, and sufficient water, the seed sprouts, and a tiny sunflower plant emerges from the ground. The sunflower isn't just a pretty face. It's a heliotrope, which means it follows the sun's path across the sky, soaking up all the light it needs to grow. This phenomenon, known as phototropism, maximizes the plant's exposure to sunlight, fueling its rapid growth. Over the course of about 80 to 100 days, the sunflower plant matures. Its stem thickens and strengthens. Its leaves spread wide to capture more sunlight, and finally, its iconic yellow petals unfurl, surrounding the seed-filled head. Once the sunflower heads are heavy with mature seeds, it's time for the next step: harvesting. This is where the journey from seed to oil truly begins. The sunflower field is now a sea of gold, ripe for the harvest. The harvest of sunflowers is a delicate dance of timing and precision. The moment of harvesting is critical, as the quality of the resulting oil is directly impacted by the maturity of the seeds. When the back of the sunflower head turns brown, and the seeds are hard with a black or striped shell, it's time to harvest. Specialized machinery, such as combines, are used to harvest sunflowers. These powerful machines cut and thresh the sunflowers in one operation, separating the seeds from the flower heads. The process is efficient and swift, enabling farmers to harvest large fields in a relatively short period. But the machinery isn't the only hero of the harvest. The sunflower itself has a role to play. Its unique design, with seeds nestled in a spiral pattern, allows for easy separation from the head. This design, along with the hard shell of the seeds, ensures minimal seed damage during the harvesting process. Once harvested, the seeds are cleaned, removing any leftover pieces of stem, leaves, or other debris. This step is crucial, as it ensures the purity of the seeds, which in turn affects the quality of the oil. The timing of the harvest, the machinery used, and the careful cleaning process all contribute to the production of high-quality sunflower oil. With the seeds harvested, we're now ready for the real magic, the extraction of the oil. From seed to oil, this is where the transformation happens. It all begins with the harvested sunflower seeds. These aren't your ordinary snack time seeds, but a special type grown specifically for oil production. The seeds are first cleaned, removing any dust, debris, or other unwanted particles. Next, the clean seeds are ground down into a thick paste. This grinding process breaks down the seed's cellular structure, making the oil inside easier to extract. Picture it like cracking a nut open to get to the tasty morsel inside. The seed paste is then heated, a process known as conditioning. This heating step is essential, as it helps loosen the oil even further. Imagine trying to squeeze a sponge soaked in water. The warmer the sponge, the more water you can extract. It's the same concept here with sunflower seeds. Now comes the pressing. The conditioned seed paste is pressed under high pressure in an oil press machine. This pressure forces the oil out of the seed paste, leaving behind a solid mass known as the press cake. Don't let the name fool you, though. It's not something you'd want to snack on. The oil isn't quite ready yet, though. It still contains small particles from the seeds and needs refining. The oil is first settled, allowing the solid particles to sink to the bottom. It's then filtered, removing these particles, and leaving behind a clear, clean oil. But we aren't done just yet. The oil undergoes further refining, including degumming, neutralization, and bleaching. These steps remove any remaining impurities, ensuring the oil is of the highest quality. The result? A pure, golden oil ready for bottling and distribution. This rigorous process results in the pure golden sunflower oil that we see on supermarket shelves. From seed to oil, it's a journey of transformation, where the humble sunflower seed becomes a versatile, nutrient-rich oil that enhances our meals and nourishes our bodies. So there you have it, the journey of a sunflower seed to your kitchen. From a tiny seed in the earth to a towering sunflower and then back to a seed again, it's a fascinating cycle of life, isn't it? These seeds, harvested at just the right time, are the beginning of our sunflower oil story. In the heart of the mega sunflower oil factory, these seeds undergo a transformation. Cleaned, hulled, and heated, they're prepped for the main event, the oil extraction. With the help of a little pressure, the seeds release their golden treasure, sunflower oil, which is then refined and bottled, ready for the market. Now let's not forget the role sunflower oil plays in our lives. It's a staple in our kitchens, used for cooking, baking, and dressing salads. It's a source of essential fatty acids and vitamin E, contributing to a balanced diet. In the grand scheme of things, it's a significant player in the global economy, with millions of sunflower seeds harvested every year to satisfy the world's demand. So, the next time you pour that golden liquid into your frying pan or drizzle it over your salad, think about its journey. The next time you use sunflower oil, remember the journey it took from a sunflower field to your home. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the wonders of nature.